Hello traders, I am back again with another video, and on this video I want to quickly show you my phase 2 account which I received from the funded trader. In my previous video I showed you how I got to pass phase 1 challenge, which I got over $5,000 in profit, and our target was actually 5,000. So I was able to pass phase 1, and the funded trader sent my phase 2 login. You can see here is the email. It says welcome to phase 2, and you can see it says, dear Steven, welcome to the phase 2 of the funded trader standard challenge. Upon successfully meeting the trade objectives, you will advance to become a funded trader. Now, if we are able to pass phase 2, we will be given a funded account worth 50k, and that is the account that will get to share the profit with the company. I will hold 80% and they will hold 20. So, and the objective for this phase is to just make $2,500. We made $5,000 on phase 1, so phase 2 will make just half of 5k, which is 25. And here is my chart. I've already entered some trades. This is just a minor trade I opened on my phone. You can see here it says mobile, and the rest of the 3 trades were placed manually. Now on this trade I had a CHF JPY sell trade using 3.0 lot size, and I lost $437, and I will quickly show you how I got to enter that trade. Here is CHF JPY. Remember, on my previous video I explained this chart CHF JPY that we had head and shoulder pattern. Here is trading view, and here is the pattern. I've drew it already. This is CHF JPY on the 4-hour time frame, and here is our left shoulder, our head, and our right shoulder. So I was expecting a drop. It broke this support level, went back for a retest, and it has started dropping. So I was still trying to catch the down move when I sold this pair around this level at this bearish resistance, but then price went back up and hit my stop loss, which resulted in $437 in a loss. And the next trade is a Euro USD sell trade, the same lot size 3.0, and it was also placed manually, and I lost $495. Here is the Euro USD trade. Back on the 5-minute time frame, I saw that this exact resistance non-farm payroll was released. You can see here on daily FX, you can see non-farm payroll was released together with the unemployment rate. So I traded this news. I entered this trade a few minutes before the release of this news, so I put my stop loss just above here. Price pushed down. I made over $1,000, but I didn't close. I was still expecting some bearish move. My stop loss was above here. My take profit was around this level. So that was how. So price pushed down, had over 1k in profit, but then it pulled back up and hit my stop loss. The next trade is a profit. I sold gold using 1.0 lot size, and I had a profit of over $300, and in total I lost $627. My balance is now 49,372. So I'll be back with another video explaining how I'll get to enter another trade. So right now I have to recover $700 and then make an extra $2,500 so that I'll pass phase 2. Remember, I said I'll give away a 50k account, so subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment in order to stand the chance of winning, and refer a friend. I will be giving this account very soon. The giveaway will be done the day I receive my live account, so stay tuned. Click the notification icon so that you will be notified each time I upload a new video. See you soon.